poor machinist that blames their tools for the problems they're having making things, but I didn't actually think to check and see if the bed was square before I started. There's a pin that keeps it nominally square, but apparently not nearly close enough to center drill bolt. Pin that I just lost. There we go. This pin. As it turns out, it just goes in here. It's bolted on. It normally would keep it roughly square, but it wasn't doing that good a job. So what I'm going to show you now is how to square up the drill press. I didn't even see any videos on this on YouTube, but I'm sure there must be some on there. So you get a piece of round stock. Put that in the chuck. Tighten it a little bit. Make sure it's actually in there. Good. Put the platform back on. Screw that in. I didn't think to actually check this before I started. Also, it'd be nice to have a tool to do this with, and I might make one. Or just 3D print a extension for the round stock, which wouldn't be a bad idea either. They would just hold something off at an angle like that, and then spin around, so you could just check quick to ascertain whether it's level or not. Square. I keep thinking level for some reason. Alright, so let's check. So, all you do to check this is just run it around the table. Make sure that you're level. Make sure that your square is... Probably run that up a little bit too. Let's see. Should be easier with two people, I think. Lock it down right about there. It does have a little band with some degrees of rotation on it in the back. Let me get this almost tightened. Where'd the socket wrench go? There we go. There we go. I think making a tool for this might be the thing to do. Really. Or getting a better level. Wait. Getting a better square. Might be a good idea. This is not the right tool for the job, I don't think. You know what? I'm going to design a special tool for this. 3D print it. Back in a minute. And we're back. I've made a dial indicator jig for the Craftsman drill press to try to get the bed some kind of square. Let's see how it works. Alright, so it's actually already squared up a little bit because I had to put it back on. Screw it all back in. Bolt the bed back on to start with. And yeah, I've got to offset those buttons on the dial gauge because they're kind of a pain to actually use the way they are. As you can see, it's zeroed out now. We're zeroing it on the center point this way, and then we're going to be checking both points this way and just making them level, or level-ish, or, you know, at a right angle to the drill press, so then I can try drilling out the titanium bolt again and maybe a little more success. All right, and let's see what we got here. We're 0.11 millimeters on that side, and I should have thought of this. All right. And on this side, we've got 0. All right, so this side has to come down a little bit. Yeah, 0.05. Let's see what the runout is on the other side now. I might do it. I have to try to get it bolted on and actually corrected. Oh, 0.19, 0.20. Okay, so I went the wrong way on that. That side had to come up a little bit. No, I think I went the right way. What is going on here? Okay, no, this side. Okay, this side needs to come down. Down. Bit of percussive maintenance. All right, now we're at 0.05 on that side. Let's see what the other side is. It's at 0.36. That's not right. I think I'm making the problem worse. What I was assuming is that I could get somewhere in the middle, but that doesn't seem to be working. So let's see, that's at 0.12 now. Let's get her over on the other side again. Let's run out in the middle. 0.18, although that doesn't really mean much in this because, sorry. 0.26, 0.27, 0.25. All right, so it's at 0.25. The other side's at 0.13. Jeez. Man. This might actually just require getting a new drill press. Okay, 0.20. Well, that's still 0.25. Okay, 0.19. Let's see where we're at on the other side now. We are at 0.22. All right, 0.19, 0.22. Maybe one more tap. .20. Let's check it again. Maybe. 0.19. Yeah, so that's within 0.01 millimeter. That's probably as good as she gets. Let's see if I can actually bolt it back on tightly though, and retain that. So there's the pin on the bottom. Maybe if I bolt that in first, with both pins set, it'll actually work. All right, there's the pin set. Now, that's already quite solidly on. All right, that's not moving anyway. Let's see what our runout is on the table. We're still at 0.18 on that side, and on the other, .19. All right, so we're actually as dead nuts as this table will go. So, yeah, that's actually around 0.15, 0.19 too. Actually, so that might be pretty square all around, with maybe 0.03 millimeter difference, which it's not exactly a flat table, so it's got Let's see if I can give you a better view. The table itself is not entirely flat. It's, as you can see, got the machining marks on it from where it was machined off. So, accounting for a little bit of slop from that, 0.03 millimeters is pretty good. All right, there's the table squared as well as it's going to get, and there's the new table square jig. I'll put the references up on Thingiverse so you can get the STL or get the SketchUp file should you want to alter it a little bit or just see what I did. You can use it. It works pretty well, I think, but we'll see how the bolt drills out. Table still might not work for that, but I will see you soon and have a video up of that shortly. Thanks for watching.